Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Let's dive into the word of the day, which is alone. This is an A2 level adverb that means without anyone else or independently. It's a simple yet powerful word that can be used in so many contexts to express the idea of being by oneself. Now, let's break it down with some examples. If I say, she traveled alone to Paris, it means she went to Paris without anyone accompanying her. Or if I tell you, he fixed the car alone, it suggests he did it independently, without help from others. There are a few synonyms for alone that you might find useful. Words like solo, independently, or unaccompanied can often be used in similar contexts. For instance, he worked solo on the project or she walked unaccompanied through the park give a similar meaning to being by oneself. On the other hand, we have antonyms for alone that provide the opposite idea. Words like together, accompanied, or in company are great examples. For instance, they worked together to complete the assignment, or she arrived at the party accompanied by her friends, highlight situations where someone is not by themselves. So how can we use alone in everyday life? It's incredibly common in casual conversations. You might say, I want to be alone for a while to clear my mind, or he lives alone in a small apartment downtown. It's also used in expressions like, I can't do this alone, to emphasize the need for help or support. Here are some more examples of alone in action. The child felt brave enough to sleep alone for the first time. She achieved her goals alone, proving her determination. He prefers to hike alone, enjoying the solitude of nature. That wraps up our exploration of the word alone. I hope you feel more confident using it and can see how versatile it is in describing independence or solitude. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and keeps us going. And here's a fun challenge. Create your own sentence using alone and share it in the comments below. I'd love to see your creativity. Until next time, take care and keep learning.